Gather around PureSkill family. Let's get into it. All right. Okay. So production vlog day 7. So we're continuing with the rig that we was working on last um video, and if you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. What's it called? Okay. Right now we're on the legs, and in this video, um, I started um with the legs. You need a FK and IK switch, just the same as you do the arms. If you guys don't understand what that is, go check out the last video, right? Okay, so I started working on the IK leg chain first, and once I got done with it, I kind of deleted it and backed up because I was like, let me work on the foot roll first, because the foot roll more strategically, because you needed to get the foot roll to control the IK. I was like, let me do that one first, right? Okay, that I'm just explaining what you're gonna see into the time lapse, so you understand. Um, so I started working on the foot roll, which, long story short, if you guys want a tutorial, ask for a tutorial, but it's really just a series of copy rotations and limit rotations, um, 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 modifiers, and then some proper parenting. The thing about the foot roll is it's kind of hard to remember the parenting order with the foot roll. You kind of have to just remember it case by case whenever you're making your rigs. I tend to try and have um the same rigs, but I usually try and improve my rigs. That's why I keep making new ones. But when it comes to the parenting, it is kind of a order you need to get correct. But if you guys want a tutorial on how to make a foot roll, I can do that. Just put it in the comments. Okay, so so then after I created the foot roll, I made sure to attach the foot roll to the IK chain, which you guys know what the IK chain is. It's just the opposite movement of a forward kinematic chain. Um, um, and that was that. I'm looking at my notes. Sorry. Essentially, is that's attaching the foot roll to the IK chain was just a copy transform constraint onto the feet bones of the IK chain to the foot roll bones. All right. Um, okay. Next thing I had to do, because IK, now technically there's elbow popping in the arm chain also, in the IK of the arm chain, but I don't, it's not as noticeable, so I just leave it alone. But when it comes to the legs, it's a little bit more noticeable. The knee popping. Knee popping is simply just um imagine a knee, right? Imagine your knees, right? Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. So imagine your knees, right? Okay. When your knees coming down, it kind of has like a pop that it does. It's very slight and subtle in the program, but I'm trying to illustrate it for you guys right now. So it's like your knees will move smoothly, but when you're going from a bent position to back to straight, it kind of pops a little bit. That's basically what knee popping is. And it's a simple fix. You just turn on IK you just turn on IK stretching to a small dosage, small value, like right here, and then and that's how I fixed it. And then I added a limit location constraint, because once you turn on IK stretching, it's going to be able to stretch forever, which some people like, which is fine if you want to do that. I turn on the limit location because it just keeps the feet to the floor compared to where the root constraint is. So if the feet do end up having to go below the floor for some reason, I don't see too many reasons why you will have to animate someone's feet going through the floor. But if you have to, you just move the root bone down, and you should be good, right? um then after that, I was ready to symmetrize. Now symmetrizing is basically as it is, as what it says. So you guys been seeing me work on one half of the rig the entire time, and I haven't been really explained that, but it's just halving the work. Instead of doing everything twice, I do it all one time, and then I symmetrize to the other side, and it does it for me. It's basically copy and pasting, but mirrored, right? Okay. Um, then what I went through wanted to do is before I went through and started polishing, which we'll end up doing in the next video, I went ahead and started um renaming all of my bones, because like I told you, my naming was kind of iffy. It was enough for me to keep rigging, but I just wanted to tighten up all my rigging, so I went through each layer that I had and just started one by one renaming all the bones to the correct name. And then I symmetrized the rig correctly. And then in the next video, we'll make custom shapes to make the rig more user friendly and look cool and all that. Because right now what you guys are looking at is actual bones, the way Blender armature bones, which if you see a professional rig, that's not what a rig looks like. So if you guys are trying to get into rigging, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the custom bone shapes, right? Okay. All right, cool guys, that was it for this video. Check out the next video if you guys are missing something or don't understand. Ask for a tutorial. If you guys missed something, check out the previous vlogs. Let's get it.